Hi there, welcome to Code Curious. Today we're mixing two of my favorite things, coding and cooking. Sounds strange? Well, believe it or not, writing code is a lot like following a recipe in the kitchen. Each step brings us closer to our delicious final result, or in coding terms, our working program. Let's say you're making a sandwich. To do that, you have a set of instructions. Take some bread, add lettuce, cheese, and ham, then put another slice of bread on top. Simple, right? That's exactly how functions work in coding. Now let's take our sandwich recipe and turn it into a Python function. In Python, we use the word def to define a function. It's kind of like saying, hey computer, here's a recipe I want you to remember. Let's call our function make sandwich. Each step in our function is like an instruction in a recipe. When we run the function, the computer will follow these steps one by one. Okay, my first step is take 2 slices of bread. Next, add lettuce, cheese, and ham, and whatever else you want. Third step, put the slices together. Wow, it can even predict my step. Hit run. Oops, I forgot to call the function. Okay, so this is just how you define a function, but whenever you want to run it, you have to call it. So I'm calling it down here, make sandwich. You can call it anytime, and the computer will make a virtual sandwich by following your steps. See, coding is just like cooking. You give the computer clear instructions, and it creates something based on those steps. And I'm gonna call it again so you can see they're gonna run twice. But why do we use functions? Imagine if you had to make 100 sandwiches. Instead of repeating yourself over and over, you can just call your function whenever you need it. Functions help keep your code organized and make your life easier, just like a good recipe book. And there you have it. You've just written your first function, like following a recipe in the kitchen. So next time you're coding, remember each line of code is like an ingredient, and the function is your recipe. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun coding adventures with Code Curious. Thanks for watching and see you next time.